Okay, Kemi Molololo, it's 9 p.m. on the 26th of October 2019. It's never too late for anybody to be anything they want to be. Tiwa Savage inspired me with that. Tiwa Watch, I'm singing now. I told you guys I'm going to be singing a lot because it helps relieve my PTSD. And my name is Naira. That's my artist name. And I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make music, how to produce. I just made these beats and I want to put it together. On my iPhone and some of the packs here. So this particular song is called Gbogbo Ole Abuja. Basically, Gbogbo Ole Abuja, all the people stealing money in Abuja, you know yourselves, dedicated to you. So let me sing this song and you can see what it sounds like. The beats are ready and I'll sing it to you. Naira. Gbogbo Ole l'Abuja, Gbogbo Ole l'Abuja, Gbogbo Ole l'Abuja. Èmi ni mo mọ̀ Gbogbo Ole l'Abuja, Gbogbo Ole l'Abuja, Gbogbo Ole l'Abuja. Èmi ni mo mọ̀ Naira. I'm doing well, right?